One concept we have yet to fully explore is that of division. And what I mean by that is when a variable ends up at the end, or even the beginning of a problem, with being divided. So just like when we said earlier, when we were distributing, and we said we wanted to have 1/2 of what was in here in the parentheses, right? We wanted 1/2 of 4x and 1/2 of 8, and that gave us 2x minus 4. Well, what we're saying is 1/8 of s is -5. So what number, when divided by 8, will give me -5? Well, the answer is -40. And how do we find that out? One way I taught you last year was to multiply by the reciprocal. We said we wanted to take this, multiply it by 8 over 1, multiply it by 8 over 1, and you would get s is equal to -40. And that's one way to think about it. Another way to think about this is, where have we seen something like this before? If I put -5 over 1, it now looks like a proportion problem. Remember when we were trying to find percent of a number, or we were doing proportions, and we would cross multiply? You could cross multiply here by simply taking the number on the right and putting it over 1. I can now cross multiply. So this gives me 8 times -5 is -40. And 1 times s is s. And s is -40. Well, what if I had something like 2/5 s is equal to -5? Again, I can cross multiply. 5 times -5 is -25 is equal to 2s. Now I divide both sides by 2 because I'm putting -5 into 2 groups, and s is -13.5. Hope these help you.